Hi, this is Simon Says, let's do some French. Today I want to talk to you about the subordinate relative, la subordonnée relative. So think about a sentence that is composed of two previous sentences and they are linked together by a subordinate. So I'll begin this video by showing you the basic subordinate that will link a sentence, two sentences together. So let's begin with qui. Qui, like who. This is the dog that belonged to my friend. C'est le chien qui appartenait à mon ami. So qui will replace the dog. And qui can be il ou elle, him or her. It can also be them. It will replace the thing that we talked previously and it will do the action for it. Like qui will be like il, like he belonged to my friend. It's the teacher who called me. C'est l'enseignant qui m'appelle. So qui will replace the teacher, and the teacher is calling me. So the teacher is calling somebody that is me. So here you have M apostrophe that will replace me. It is the pronom réfléchi. So the pronom réfléchi is the complément direct. So the teacher is calling somebody, and the somebody is me. So M apostrophe here is not doing the action. It's that is doing the action. So this is something, a trap that sometimes my students fell into it. They think that when I say they should be nothing in front of the verb and you have to conjugate, you have to put if there's nothing in front of the verb. It's not there is nothing in front of the verb. It's that qui will be the pronom sujet in this case. It will replace the pronom sujet and he will do the action. You have to make sure that there's no je, I, tu, you, il, him in front of the verb. Now que, that. The dog I bought is beige. Le chien que j'ai acheté est beige. So in this sentence, you'll put que. You already have je because it's not the dog that is doing the action of buying, it's me. So what I do is often I will try to find the complément direct. So I ask myself the question, what have I bought? And the answer will be the dog. J'ai acheté quoi? J'ai acheté le chien. So when I find the complément direct, j'ai acheté I bought what? It's the dog. So the dog will be replaced by que. But que is not doing the action, is me that is doing the action. Que will be with the pronom sujet. You'll see que je, que tu, qu'il, qu'elle, que nous, que de, vous, qu'il, and qu'elle. Quoi, what, will replace something. Like, what's your problem? C'est quoi ton problème? Dont, of which. Thomas is the teenager I'm talking about. Thomas est l'adolescent dont je te parle. So here you finish at the end of the sentence, you have je te parle. So I'm talking to you about Thomas. I'm talking about Thomas. So we can replace dont by de actually because we cannot say I'm talking Thomas. I'm talking about somebody. So it will be de. So if we can replace dont by de, it will be dont. Who, where, for the location. The restaurant where I'll be eating on Monday is in Boston. Le restaurant où je vais manger lundi est à Boston. This is the school where I study programming. C'est l'école où j'étudie la programmation. So the action is taking place somewhere and we replace it by où. But this is the school I love. C'est l'école que j'aime. And this case is more your feeling about something that is the school. So we can ask ourselves the question at the end, j'aime quoi? I love what? And the answer will be the school. And the school is not doing the action. So we'll replace it by que. It's the restaurant closest to my house. C'est le restaurant qui est proche de chez moi. Uh, near my place. Closest to my place. So here, the restaurant is replaced by qui because there's nothing in front of the verb here. So qui will be doing the action. Qui est, that is near my place. So the subordinate that I show you till now are the basic ones that are more the most used. Now for the compound relative pronoun, the pronoun relatif composé, like lequel, that can be interpreted as which one. Lequel or will replace a word that is masculin singulier, laquelle féminin singulier, lesquels masculin pluriel, and lesquels féminin pluriel. So we use lequel after a preposition other than de, like dans, in. The country I like to live in is far away. Le pays dans lequel j'aimerais vivre est loin d'ici. The tree I'm climbing is young. L'arbre sur lequel je grimpe est jeune. Sur, on. The friend with whom I box is ill. L'ami avec lequel je fais de la boxe est malade. With. Auquel. To which. So, auquel is used with the preposition à, accent grave. À will be to something, to which. That's an idea I hadn't thought of. C'est une idée à laquelle je n'avais pas pensé. So, je n'avais pas pensé. I didn't think about. I didn't think to something. To will be à here. The video game you play are classic. Les jeux vidéo auxquels tu joues sont des classiques. Tu joues. You are playing to something. The husband I married is a teacher. Le mari auquel je me suis marié est enseignant. Je me suis marié. I married to somebody. Duquel. From which. So, again, duquel masculin singulier, de laquelle féminin singulier, desquels masculin pluriel, and desquels féminin pluriel. So, duquel is used after a location preposition. We want to position ourselves in space. The man we are standing next to smell bad. L'homme près duquel nous nous trouvons sent mauvais. Près duquel, next to. The river I'm walking by is very pretty. La rivière au bord de laquelle je me promène est très jolie. So you can see here, laquelle is féminin singulier because la rivière is féminin singulier. So we have the preposition of location, loin de, far from, proche de, near to, à côté de, next to, à gauche de, left of, and other one. The subject I'd like to talk to you about is a delicate one. Le sujet à propos duquel j'aimerais te parler est délicat. So here you have à propos de that you can replace by about. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, please subscribe, and I see you later for another video.